Every single hospital and health system in the Commonwealth of Virginia has no slack left. It's tight everywhere. And so we don't have the ability to transfer patients out from our community or take patients in from other communities that might be more overwhelmed. All of that slack is getting removed from the system. That is also very, very concerning for us at this point in time. And so I know I'm preaching to the choir a little bit to the folks that turn in to these town halls, but we need to continue to get the message out to our community that now is the time to stay at home. Don't share your air with anybody else in any indoor environment or outdoor environment. Don't be around other individuals where you can share their air outside of your daily household unit. That's the mindset we have to have at this point in time. If you do need to leave your house for some essential purpose, you need to wear a mask at all times. You need to be masked at all times, and extreme social distancing away from others. Limit your time in any indoor environment. Assume that the air in any environment you enter in any indoor space is contaminated. That's the way you have to think about it. You have to get in and you have to get out. Don't spend a lot of time in there. This is the mindset we have to have if we're going to try and lower the prevalence in our community. I know there's been a lot of talk in the media about the strain of the virus that's out there that is more contagious and spreads more rapidly, and they found it in areas around the country. I think the best way to think about that is assume it's here. Assume it's what's driving the increased prevalence in our community. The normal tests we do don't test to see what genetic variant of the virus you have. They just test to see if you have the virus, not the specific genetic variant. And so to do those tests, it takes different equipment and people doing scientific studies. You have to assume that variant is everywhere. That's the mindset I think everybody should have. Assume that's what's spreading in our community. That'll drive everybody to be safer, right? Don't wait for the first case to get reported in Virginia. I can pretty much assure you that variant is in the state of Virginia and is spreading here in our community.